Hello everyone, Tiana here. Thank you for watching. Everyone's new, so if you happen to like this content, please like and subscribe. Also, I see now that my window is in the background, so please disregard the blind. um, it's just my office for now, and the landlord hasn't chosen to change it yet, and nobody's in here. Plus, it has a shade underneath just in case you were worried. So just like don't talk about me. I'm gonna block you. But first I do want to say thank you for being here. If you're watching this, I truly appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. I'm definitely trying to grow my followers. Um, so if you like the content, please like and subscribe. Moving on. Also want to say, oh, well, so look at my setup. I'm not sure if I had showed you guys before, but so 2 Auto. The big melter right there was one that I got in a giveaway. I won. I never win anything. And you kind of like, when they're, the people that you watch or that they're doing giveaways and stuff, and you just want to believe it's real, but you never win. So I just thought it would be like super cool if I won something because I never really win anything. And I honestly just probably started participating in the giveaways um maybe I want to say this year. We'll go with this year. Um and so, I was fortunate to win. I thank Talisha so very much for choosing me and also sending it. It's gonna be amazing. It's gigantic though. I have this little melter right there. Now looking at it, I'm pointing right at it. But when I see the camera, I'm not. So I have this little melter here, and that's what I'm starting with. And I just felt like having that huge melter would be wonderful when I start to like improve and do well in my business. So I did want to say that if you don't watch her, please go watch her. Her company is Sense of Vision, but her channel is Boss Vision here on YouTube. So definitely check her out. But the reason of the video today is just if calculations, basically. Um, I see so many videos, so obviously it's not like a isolated thing that people have issues with calculations with Kindles and doing your percentages and things like that. I will speak for myself. I won't necessarily say that I'm bad at math, but math is definitely like for me use it or lose it type of thing. And so if I'm not using it, I lose it. But once I start to use it, it kind of it floods back to me a little bit. And then, using it consistently, I'll pick it back up and then I'm okay. But at first it's so fuzzy and I'm like, I don't remember and it's a struggle. Like math was never easy for me. I always had to really, really work to get in school, like really, really work to understand and get the math down. But like I said, once I got it, it was okay. But after not using it for so long, it totally leaves me. Like that's not nothing. Math is not like riding a bike for me. And I want to assume that that could be a lot of people. So I just wanted to get on here basically and talk about calculations and measuring for your wax. Um, Now I'm not going to be the one to show you um, calculations and formulas and things like that. And I do want to say this real quick as a disclaimer that I'm still stuffy. I'm not sure if I mentioned this on my other video, but I'm still a little stuffy now, so please forgive me if I sound nasally. But so I'm not gonna be the one to show you because I'm still, you know, uncertain. Um, Let me get a cough drop real quick. I'm still, it's still a little sketchy for me, and so I don't want to be responsible for teaching somebody, and then I'm like, oh wait, I was wrong. So, um, what I am gonna do is Also, the stand that I have up there is was a suggestion from Memory Box Candle Co. And I finally got one because I was using it before I had one, and it was just a little difficult pouring. Um, so yeah, so I haven't tried it out or anything yet. This is just my setup for now. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm just like toggling all over the place. So I hope y'all can keep track. But anyway, Memory Box Candle Co. has several videos actually about calculations and the breakdowns and the formula. And so I've actually been watching her. And I'm sure there's some other great videos as well out there. So what I'm going to do is link her video in the description box below. And hopefully if anybody comes across my video and they're having any issues, then that can refer them to her video. Um, until I get better. If I get better and I start to understand this better on my own, then yeah, I might do something. But like as far as right now, I don't feel comfortable telling anybody anything, but I can suggest things that have helped me in the process because I'm sure I'm not alone. This jumping into this endeavor is different. It's definitely different. But I was just thinking about it and I was like, well, I'll go ahead and just make a post. I post a video um outlining the issues and difficulties with calculations and with formulas and things of that nature. So I hope if you come across this video and you do find it helpful, that you leave a comment below to letting me know like what your struggles are, what may have helped you, because what helps one could work for someone else, and what works for one may not work for someone else. So I feel like there's so many different people in this field. There's so many different people watching, and we all learn differently. So if you can help me and I can help you, then all the better for all of us, right? So definitely down to sharing. That's basically the whole point of this channel, is to not only show you all my process and to document it for myself about my journey, but to help those who may need help as well. So on that note, forgot I was hiding that that blind. On that note, I do want to tell you, for all who watch, thank you for watching. I hope you do come back. I do plan to. I'm actually doing the calculation of the videos now because I plan to make some candles for testing, and I'm gonna make some more wax melts. So, um, I can post that on here too if that sounds like something that you like, or if there are other things that you might be interested in. Just let me know. You can leave a comment below, and I'll definitely do my best to make that possible. So again, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.